No, thank you. We have for lunch. Biz öğlen yedik ya.
Ben vereceğim.
Okay.
I want the sweet one.
And then if you like, you can,
No, we want.
if you like, you can roll it as a truffle. And optional, if you like, you can roll it over coconut or cacao again. Eat it like this. I mean, this is too big, of course, a smaller one. Or you can form it as a cookie like that and just like bake it for 20 minutes. Let me taste it first. If it's good, you can taste as well. Start of this. Any questions so far?
And you can keep it in the fridge for how many
2 days.
Yeah. 2 days.
So it has to be cooked. It has to be. Oh no.
No, you eat it
don't
like
have to
that.
bake it.
You eat it like that, yes, true. Of course, if you bake it, you can keep it longer. I mean, like cookies. Then you can
Okay,
keep
you
it
can
longer.
bake,
yes.
bake it in the oven. So it's
Yeah,
not, it
in
doesn't
the
have to be
oven.
raw.
I'm sorry?
It doesn't have to be raw. You can
You
bake
can bake it as well, yes. For 20 minutes. It doesn't need
How long are you?
20 minutes, 160 degrees, it's enough. I did it like that at home. I'm sorry?
Did you do it in the deep breaker as well?
As well, yes, you can try it like that.
Do we put any olive oil or coconut oil before we put it in the oven?
No, I used
Tivan or
this
something.
paper. you
Yeah,
know.
paper, sure.
Yeah.
This was very good, delicious.
Yeah, it is.
Bir şey söyleyeceğim.
Buyurun.
Nasıl pişer ya? Sert mi oluyor? Sanki kurabiye gibi mi?
Kurabiye gibi oluyor. Hı hı, kurabiye gibi oluyor.
Sert bir şey oluyor herhalde.
Sert oluyor birazcık yani diğer böyle yumuşacık olmuyor tamam ama lezzetli oluyor.
Yeah, yeah.
The next recipe
Let's try it again, but then with a bit.
is the smoothie. This is a great breakfast option, by the way. For this, you will use your almond milk, bananas, but please try to use always ripe bananas. They should be brown, not yellow or green. So they are not ripe enough, but I don't have others here now. When you do that at home, if you like prepare only 1 glass, 1 banana is enough, okay? But I will put more in it.
And you prefer that we make,
Çok sütüm var çünkü o kıvama gelebilmesi için çok koymam gerekiyor, yes?
you prefer to, we make our almond milk at home. We don't buy it from the
No,
market.
it's better to make it at home. And you saw it's very easy
Yeah.
to prepare. And I will use dry fruits today. Normally I use dates because bananas and the dates they are matching really great together. When you do that at home, you can try it like that as well. Hurma inanılmaz güzel oluyor. O şekilde de deneyebilirsiniz. But you can do it with any dry fruits as well. Dry fruits, yes. And dry dates as well, yes. For 1 cup, you can put 2 in it. 2. It's enough because it's very sweet. Okay. And cinnamon a little bit. That is balancing the blood sugar. And that's it. Close. Let's see. Sorry, what you can do is as well, you can use baby spinach or the big spinach as well with bananas. It's amazing because you don't taste the spinach in it, but then you put a little bit of raw honey in it to make it a little bit sweet. It's amazing and has a lot of minerals and vitamins. You can drink that as a smoothie as well. tadına, ona göre size vereceğim. Bir şey olursa önce ona olsun.
Tamam.
Güzel. Muzu biraz az geldi. Normalde muzu daha yoğun oluyor içinde.
Bence çok bile geldi. Ondan bakalım.
Tokluk açısından ben daha çok koyuyorum aslında evde. İnanılmaz güzel oluyor kıvamı. Amazing. You don't taste the spinach in it. You just taste the banana. Yeah, one big hand. Or what you can do as well without, in summer for example, I never use milk. I do all my smoothies with water. Spinach, water and banana. A little bit of organic honey as well. It tastes really great. What you can do is with the banana, by the way, you can buy a lot bananas and then you cut them, put them in a plastic bag, you know these plastic bags for the fridge,
Ziploc.
and then you put it in the fridge. And then when you get it out, it's frozen. You put it in the blender, a little bit of water. If you like some dry fruits or like blackberries and stuff, it becomes an amazing ice cream for summer. It's really amazing.
Ortadan kesip difrize koyduktan
Küçük
sonra
küçük kesiyorsunuz böyle. Hemen dilim dilim kesiyorsunuz.
difrize koyduktan sonra
Çıkarıyorsunuz ya, blender'a atın, birazcık su, biraz tarçın çok yakışır. Bir de işte istediğiniz mesela şu donmuş meyveler vardır ya, işte berry'leri böyle.
flour versin.
Aynen biraz da ondan katabilirsiniz. İnanılmaz güzel oluyor.
Bayağı
Tavsiye
şey
ederim.
oluyor yani.
Dondurma oluyor bildiğiniz. O kadar güzel oluyor ki.
You have to peel the bananas or just cut them whole?
You can cut them.
Whole, not peeling them.
No, you have to peel them, of course.
I have
You have to peel
cut
them.
them and then in the fridge.
Exactly. It's amazing. It's so great.
Good, I didn't know that.
You like it?
Yeah.
And try the same recipe with dates at home. It's amazing. It's actually better than that with dates. But dates, you shouldn't put a lot in it. Remember, it's
For
very
the
sweet.
sugar.
You can drink that for breakfast. And then you don't need to eat until lunch, really, until lunch. But a big
How many
glass.
calories are in this one?
We never calculate the calories. There are a lot of calories, but the good thing is it's very healthy and the body can use it.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
It's better to take shots.
Gives you a lot of energy, by the way, bananas.
Yeah.
It makes you happy. Just like Nutella, it makes you just happy. Do you have any questions so far?
No,
Great.
very good.
Utkay Bey? Şunu alalım. Şunu alalım. Bu neydi? İstemiyorum. Tuz mu var? Bunu alalım. Şimdi ben size şöyle vereyim. So the next recipe is a Korean recipe, the kimchi that I gave you. Now I'll show you how you can make your own probiotics at home. As you know, probiotics are very important. The more probiotics you have, the better is your immune system. So it's very easy. So since you can keep this recipe, that kimchi, 6 months in the fridge, I do recommend you to make a big amount, okay? Turşu gibi bir şey olacak bu arada. For this you need to buy white cabbage. If you buy like a big head, then you use the half of it. But if you buy a small head, please use the whole one, okay? You need to cut them very thin like this, okay? So white cabbage, this is not a lot. I just show you, that's why I will not make it a lot. A little bit of red cabbage, but just to give color, so not a lot. A little bit of carrots. Spring onions. Red and yellow peppers. Garlic and fresh ginger. When you cut your garlic and your fresh ginger, cut them a little big. They don't need to be like that small, okay? And of course, Himalayan salt or any other salt which is really rich in minerals, okay? And then you start to squeeze the vegetables until the water comes out. Can you smell it?
Yeah, the garlic and the ginger. It's nice. It looks very healthy.
Yeah, it is. This one is also full of enzymes, so you should eat that actually with every cooked food, especially with heavy dishes like meat, because that helps you to digest your food very easy. So actually with every meal you can eat a handful. Or if you like, what I do as well, I put it over the salad because it becomes like a dressing and it's really delicious.
How long can we say?
6 months.
6 months.
It's like pickles actually. Dolapta 6 ay
So you put it
saklayabilirsin.
in the plastic and do it in the fridge.
No
In
plastic,
the
glass.
Glass.
Yeah, I will show you. Bir şey oldu ya, elim biraz.
That's for lazy people like me who don't cook much. I cook it once 6 months, I have it in the fridge. Voila, solution.
Turşu değil mi dediniz bunun şeysi ondan?
Evet, aynen öyle. Biraz daha tuz katabilir misiniz Rutkay?
Salt and pepper.
No, only
Just
salt.
salt.
Just salt. Tamam. On your recipe is written chili and agave, but that's optional. We just use salt. If you put the others in it,
To become like turşi.
if you put chili and agave in it, no, then you have really that Korean taste in it. But we just want it like pickles to keep it longer in the fridge.
Acı koyabiliyorum.
Koyabilirsiniz, evet. Opsiyonel isterseniz koyabilirsiniz. Elim biraz sakat da o yüzden yani şurası acıyor da biraz. Hı?
Again.
You don't put it in it, only salt, okay? And then you will need a glass jar, but please make sure that you only use glass, never plastic, because plastic has BPA and it's toxic. So you squeeze it. You
You
put
don't
it.
put any oil in it, no?
No, only salt, just salt. Press it down. Please never overfill your glass because it will blow up.
Ferment.
Yes,
Like the cabbage when you leave it in the winter.
exactly. If you like, by the way, if you like, you can do it. You can make this recipe only with white cabbage as well.
This is we call it turşi.
Exactly. We also know.
This is exactly turşi. Yeah, we make the same in Bulgarian.
I never made it myself, so I don't know how to
My mother make it, I don't make it.
But in Turşu they put vinegar or
Ah,
in
they
it.
put vinegar,
We don't
yes.
put it. We only put. I mean, and that only salt. Then you press it down. Put the water over it, like that, and then you close it. Okay, and you put it in a dark place to let the fermentation begin for 3 days, but in room temperature, not outside. It shouldn't be hot in it, but it needs to be really dark. After 3 days, you can start to eat it. The color becomes like pink, like red, something like this, and it's really, really delicious. Rutkay Bey, geçen hafta yaptığım duruyor mu? After 3 days, you can taste that one.
So we can
Okay.
taste it before we
No,
eat.
no. Keep it in the fridge. We come after 3 days.
No problem. Any questions so far?
No, very good.
Great. Siz her şeyi anladınız. Kusura bakmayın lütfen ya. Hayır, aksilikler yüzünden.